Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video about Ethereum. I don't know if you watched my Bitcoin video, but in my Bitcoin video and on TradingView as well, I shared my uneasiness about the market behavior of Bitcoin, which is definitely not bullish. And I see the same with Ethereum as well. And in this video I will share what I see in the charts and the clear bullish and bearish invalidation points. Now for Ethereum, the 1930 USD level seems to be the resistance level that Ethereum just can't break through. You can see here we have, do you see the wicks? Wicks are liquidity because traders went short here at 1964 and at 1937. So this is all liquidity. These are stop losses. If you can hunt these stop losses, you can sell high and buy back low. Okay, now look what we had here. We had a period of wicks just getting above 1930 and not getting through. On May 23rd we had a huge candle which was actually a stop hunt, and we got back into the range. And again the 1930 level on May 28 was resistance, and on June 22, 21, 23 you see we have some wicks getting above the 1930 level, so traders went short here at the 1930 level. And again we see a move above 1930, but it's just a shakeout to take out the stop losses of the traders that went short, and a sharp move down. Here on July 6th you see a wick getting above the 1930 level. Now the reason for this wick is that we had a supply zone just above 1930 from 1937 to 1978, and you see that the wick got into the supply zone to deplete the supply zone, meaning to sell high, and again we see a sharp move down. So the 1930 level seems to be stiff resistance that Ethereum just can't break through, and until Ethereum breaks above 1930 it's not bullish in my opinion. Furthermore, we have some more mixed signals. For example, here we had an inverse head and shoulders. The inverse head and shoulders formed between May 27th and June 30th. So it looked like a really nice head and shoulders with a target of 2,200 something. I don't know. I must admit I took this trade and it was a loss. The target 2,225, and this bullish pattern didn't materialize. And now I would like to share with you a bearish pattern forming immediately after the bullish pattern. A left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder forming. Now I'm not saying it's a head and shoulders pattern yet, but it looks like a head and shoulders, and the neckline is at 1836. So it will be interesting to see the bullish pattern didn't materialize. It will be interesting to see if the bearish pattern will materialize. So the bullish validation actually is if Ethereum can get back above 1930 for a daily close and sustain above 1930. The bearish case validation is if first Ethereum gets below 1836 and 1786. If Ethereum gets below 1786, it will also get below the trend line, and that is all she wrote. The bullish case for Ethereum will have to take a back seat, and we will go for a correction. Now I'll pick it up if we get there, but I just wanted to share what I see with you, what I see on the charts. And if you are considering a long on Ethereum, I would be very careful. I wouldn't take a long unless it was above 1930 with a test of support, or maybe at 1786 if it tests support. Okay, that's all I have for you on Ethereum. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I'm updating Ethereum frequently. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the best in trading and in everything else that you do in life.